Now we're going to do some shoulder practice warm-up. Try and remember to do lots of warm-up before beginning your belly dance class. So shoulder extension and contraction. We'll take the right arm out to the side. We're not going to use the chest and the upper body. We're just going to use the shoulder to extend out and relax back to start position. Out and back to normal. Out, back to normal. Don't tension your neck. Keep relaxed. It's just your shoulder extending forward, like you're reaching forward with your shoulder. So we'll do 7 and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and down. So we're going to make our extension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down, 7, other arm, 8. So now we're going to do contraction with that shoulder. So this time I'm going to pull it back. Again, don't use your neck. We're just pulling the shoulder backwards. So 6 and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down, 7 up. 8 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down, 7.